Here is the puff. Look at how yummy it's looking. This is the inside, guys. Yeah. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do me a favor and subscribe, and give this video a like. Yeah, and don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section if you have any question concerning these buns, and I will get back to you. See you in my next video. Thanks. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Mama What's Up. If you are new to my YouTube channel, I welcome you. I'm a married woman with 3 kids living in Germany. My channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, and my daughter hairdressing. And for my returning subscribers, I thank you so much. I don't do this alone. Without you guys, I pray that the Almighty God bless you all. So guys, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make Nigerian puff puff. And in this my puff puff, here are the measurements I'm going to use. So I will first of all add the flour, and here is the flour I will be using for this my puff puff. I'm going to use this pack, and inside here is 4 cups. So guys, here is the 4 cups of flour. As you can see, it's 4 cups. That is the measurement I'm going to be using. So I will add it in a bowl. Here is my yeast. I'm going to be using 2 spoons of yeast. Yeah. I will add all the dry leaves together, all the dry ingredients together. So that is 2 spoons of yeast. So I will add 1 spoon of nutmeg, and I will add sugar. Guys, in this my recipe, you will add 1 cup of sugar, but I'm not using the measurement. You will add the sugar according to your taste, because I don't eat sugar, so I'm adding just a little to my taste. But this measurement is 1 cup of sugar you have to add. You will add a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt, guys, to it. So right now you will mix everything together. Guys, make sure your hands is clean before you start. So guys, in this my recipe, I will be using fresh milk, and the fresh milk, you have to heat it in a microwave. It's optional. Some people they use water, but I prefer milk. And here is the fresh milk I'm going to be using. The percentage of fat is just 1.5%, so the fat is not much. And I've heat it in oven. I just heat it small to warm it. I will add the fresh milk, and I will add some vanilla extract. This is my recipe. You must not use it. You must not add the vanilla extract, but I like using it. So you will now mix everything together. In this my recipe, I'm using 2 cups of milk. You will mix, you keep on mixing until it is sticky. You have to mix it very well. So that's it, guys. You keep on mixing it. So guys, can see how sticky it is. This is how you're gonna mix it. If you want to add water, you can as well add if it's not sticky enough as you want. As for me, I'm okay with the way it's looking. You can see. So now I will step it aside and cover it, put it in the fridge to cool down for about 1 hour. Then after that, we can start our frying. Now guys, I've added oil in a pot. I like frying with a small pot. So right now, I'm just going to be frying now. Just be adding the buff. You will let the oil heat a bit before you start frying. That is how you are going to do it. Guys, if you haven't tried this method, give it a try and you will not regret it. Wow, the buns is looking so yummy. This is how I make my own puff puff. I don't know why I'm calling buns. I'm used to the name, Sha. Oh, this is puff puff. As you can see how brownish is looking. That is how it's supposed to be. Yeah. Guys, you can see how brownish it's looking. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to look. Guys, if you haven't tried this my method, give it a try and you will not regret it. Okay, so that is it, guys. Let it brown. It's on a low heat after I've heated the oil, so it's on a low heat now. So that is it. So it's brown enough now. You can see how yummy and smooth neat is looking. When your oil has heated, then you can put the fire on a low heat, then you start frying, because if you use too much fire, the inside will not be done. So that is it, guys. So guys, the puff is ready. Look at it. Look at how neat, how the inside is. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to be. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and give me a like. If you have any question, you can as well drop your comments at the comment section down below. See you in my next video and thank you for watching. Bye.